Welcome to our analysis of Maple Telehealth, a digital healthcare platform from Canada. Maple connects patients to healthcare professionals through a simple online process. It offers virtual consultations, diagnoses, and prescriptions, allowing patients to seek medical advice without leaving their homes. This revolutionary approach to healthcare is transforming the way we manage our health. Maple Telehealth offers multiple features. It provides 24/7 access to doctors, nurses, and specialists, ensuring users can seek medical help anytime, anywhere. Users can consult healthcare professionals through video calls, audio calls, or text messages. Moreover, it offers services like prescription delivery, lab referrals, and sick notes. The platform is easy to use with a user-friendly interface. Maple Telehealth offers different pricing models. For occasional users, there's a pay-per-visit model starting at $49. For frequent users, subscription plans are available at $30 per month or $300 annually. These plans offer unlimited consultations. Corporate plans are also available for companies wanting to provide telehealth services for their employees. Prices are transparent with no hidden charges. Maple Telehealth is ideal for non-emergency medical situations where a physical examination isn't necessary. It's perfect for follow-up consultations, medication renewals, or discussing lab results. It's also suitable for mental health consultations, dermatology issues, or minor ailments like colds, flu, or allergies. It's a convenient solution for those with mobility issues or those living in remote areas with limited access to healthcare. The key advantage of Maple Telehealth is convenience. It eliminates the need to travel, wait in lines, or schedule appointments. It's accessible 24/7, making it ideal for those with busy schedules. It also enables access to specialists who may not be locally available. Additionally, the platform ensures privacy and security, with consultations being completely private and data stored securely. Despite its merits, Maple Telehealth isn't without limitations. It's not suitable for medical emergencies or situations requiring physical examinations. While it offers access to many specialists, the availability can vary. The cost may also be prohibitive for some, especially without insurance coverage. Also, while it aims to provide 24/7 service, there may be times when doctors are not immediately available. Maple Telehealth has revolutionized healthcare by making it accessible and convenient. While it can't replace physical consultations entirely, it's a valuable supplement, especially for non-emergency situations. The limitations are outweighed by the benefits, particularly for those with limited access to healthcare. However, it's crucial to consider individual needs and circumstances before deciding if it's the right solution. Maple Telehealth is transforming healthcare with its 24/7 virtual consultations. It offers convenience, accessibility, and a range of services at transparent prices. While it has limitations, its benefits are significant, especially for those with limited healthcare access. It's not a complete replacement for traditional healthcare, but a valuable supplement. Maple Telehealth is a testament to how digital technology can improve healthcare. Its potential is immense, particularly in a world where remote services are increasingly important. The future of healthcare could very well be digital, and platforms like Maple are leading the way. Thank you for watching our analysis of Maple Telehealth. We hope you found it informative and helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Stay tuned for more analysis of trending topics. Stay safe and healthy.